4 benefits of using accelerated mobile pages, AMP, for your website. In this presentation, you're going to learn some of the major benefits you're going to get if you use accelerated mobile pages, AMP, for your website. Mobile device use is on the rise, and there's no indication it's going to slow down anytime soon. With more and more people using their mobile devices to access websites on the internet, it's important for your site to have a mobile-friendly version. In fact, it's a must that your site is mobile-friendly. With that said, here are the 4 benefits of using AMP for your website. Number 1. Lightning-fast web pages. AMP pages load almost instantly. This is why it's called accelerated. There's no lengthy waiting period. If you've ever visited an AMP page, you'd know just how blazing fast these pages load. If you haven't, well, you can start by searching for the latest news and current events on your mobile device. AMP articles have a lightning bolt icon. Click it and be amazed by the speed. Number 2. Better user experience. Fast loading pages don't stress out visitors. Quite the opposite, in fact. AMP content is also very easy to read on mobile. Since AMP pages are stripped-down versions of pages you see on a desktop computer, then there are lesser distractions on it. You can consume content without getting bothered by annoying things you usually see on normal web pages on your desktop browser. Number 3. Improved Google rankings. It's no surprise Google loves AMP pages. After all, they led the AMP initiative because they wanted to give people the best experience when they search for information on their mobile phone browsers. So it makes sense they'll be awarding better spots on search results pages to AMP and mobile-friendly sites. Number 4. Increasing conversions. Since AMP pages lead directly to better user experience and engagement, then it is but normal for conversions to increase as well. Of course, not everyone's going to follow your site's call to action, but with more and more people discovering your AMP pages on mobile, then chances are a good percentage will be taking action. Just a word of caution though, since AMP strips down many unnecessary elements of your pages, then you need to be diligent and make sure your AMP pages still contain your calls to action.